Hey, my name is Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker, air fryer. It's really an 11-in-1 device. I recommend this product for accessibility features. A lot of my clients can't stand for a long period of time, so I tell them that they can take this device and put it on a low surface so that way they can cook while they're sitting down. I'm actually in my living room right now, and I'm going to be making myself some eggs using this device. So to turn it on, you press the power button here. I'm gonna select the saute. I'm gonna put it on a high heat, and then I'll hit start. I already mixed up my egg mixture here. I'm gonna put it right inside once it heats up. I already melted some butter, so that's in there right now. I'm just gonna pour my eggs right on in. I like that this device comes with all these racks as well. You can cook, I've actually hung bacon up on these racks and put it over the ridges here, and the bacon just hangs and it will cook and it will drain all the fat off of the bacon. I've also put various items on the plate here to heat it up without it being on the surface on the bottom. I've made some soups in here, and I've also made some corned beef in this device as well. But yeah, it's a really great device, and I recommend it for a lot of different people. It also comes with the lid that you can use for pressure cooking. It has the steam valve here that you can seal or release, do the quick release. I've had this device for 3 years now, and I haven't had any issues with it. To turn it off, you hit the power button, and it turns off. It's really easy to clean. To take this out, comes out like so, and then you can just wash it in the sink or the dishwasher as well. I'm going to be making some toast with the device now. Hit the air crisp function. I'm going to set it down to 300 degrees. I'm going to hit start, and then it will start the device. You can hear it kick on up there. And now my air fryer is already a little warm, so I'm going to put my toast in, like so. Shut the lid. If I wanted to change the time, I can do so right here. If you wanted to check on it before it's done, you open it up and it will pause. As soon as you shut the lid, it will start back. My toast isn't done just yet, so I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Let's take another peek. And we're toasted. Nice and crisp. Once again, to turn it off,